Good day everyone. My name is John Lester A. Villasor from BS ECE 3A2 and this is my output video for ECE 28 Laboratory Activity 9 demonstrating the 74194 shift registered used as a controller for a simple 4-channel light chaser circuit.